From improving gut health to helping with childbirth, dates are a nutritional powerhouse. Dates have a lot of benefits and are packed with nutrients your body needs. Are dates good for you? The short answer is yes. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, one serving of dates, about 100 grams or 4 dates, contains a high percentage of your recommended daily amount of copper, 40%, 0.362 milligrams, magnesium, 15%, 54 milligrams, manganese, 14%, 0.296 milligrams, potassium, 23%, 696 milligrams, vitamin B6, 17%, 0.249 milligrams. Dates are also high in fiber with about 7 grams per serving, says Culbertson. That's the same amount of fiber as a cup of cooked whole wheat pasta or just under a half cup of lentils. Another benefit of eating dates is helping you reach your body's daily iron quota. Health benefits of dates. These small fruits pack a big nutritional punch. Culbertson explains 6 health benefits of dates. 1. Improve gut health. Research shows that fiber's health benefits go beyond keeping your inner plumbing from clogging. Getting plenty of fiber from vegetables and fruits like dates can also help. Improve your heart health. Keep blood sugar levels steady. Lower LDL cholesterol levels and total cholesterol. Prevent weight gain and obesity. Reduce your risk for colorectal cancer, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. Dates are ripe with plant compounds that act as antioxidants. Antioxidants protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are cellular bandits in your body that steal electrons from healthy cells to stabilize themselves. This thievery comes with costs that include cell damage and a higher risk for chronic diseases. Studies show that free radicals play a role in the development of autoimmune diseases, cancer, cardiovascular disease, and cataracts. Because antioxidants fight free radicals, they help prevent this domino effect of disease development, explains Culbertson. Dates contain several kinds of antioxidants, including carotenoids, flavonoids, lignans, and phenolic acids. Several studies have connected dates with improved brain function, thanks to their antioxidant content. Antioxidants prevent inflammation throughout your body, including in your brain. Brain inflammation has been linked to the development of diseases like Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, also known as Lou Gehrig's disease. One study in models in the lab concluded that better memory, improved learning, and less anxiety-related behaviors were benefits of eating dates, notes Culbertson. Dates were also linked to fewer amyloid beta proteins in the brain. Plaques formed by these proteins have been connected to the development of Alzheimer's. Your little one was due a week ago, and now the doctors are talking forcible eviction, unless you can figure out how to get things going on your own. There's some research to support that eating dates could encourage labor, says Culbertson. How long you should eat them still remains to be determined, but one study showed a difference when people ate them daily around the last month of pregnancy. And dates may also help shorten how long people are in labor. How could dates have an impact on this complicated biological process? Compounds in dates seem to stimulate oxytocin receptors, which is normally the hormone oxytocin's job. The presence of oxytocin is the key to productive labor contractions. And because dates are an excellent source of healthy carbohydrates and high in natural sugars, eating them helps your body store enough energy for the labor itself. In one small study, researchers made a skin cream with 5% date palm kernel extract. Middle-aged women used the cream around their eyes twice daily for 5 weeks. The date palm kernel cream reduced the size and depth of their wrinkles, shares Culbertson. While the study only involved 10 women, the results were clinically significant and showed a lot of promise.